hang time.
I mean, I felt more scared on that one than I was on the spin.
Yeah, close. That's cold. All the wind, like, it was off my body. All the wind made it cold, and then it sat up and it was cold.
That's sexy, Nico.
Didn't that, Nick? Okay. Last one of the...
All right.
Same time, okay? Same exact time. We have to go same exact time to end it.
That shit always scares me.
We have to. We have to. On 3 we go, okay? So 1, 2, on 3 we go. Alright? Ready? 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Woo! Woohoo!
That was pretty good.
Did you pee your pants again? It's warm. Oh, fish. Are you really swimming back there? Oh, woo! I'm not that good of a swimmer. Feet weigh like 10 pounds.
Oh, I can touch.
Ugh. Can I touch it?
No. Oh, this big rock.
Oh, freedom!
Holy crap. Oh, going back down. Oh my God. This ground feels so weird.
Look at my sexy leg.